Alright, one more question. Round the rugged rascal road. Round the rugged rascal road.
Yeah.
How many hours are in that?
Hey.
Round the rugged rascal road. Round the rugged rascal road. How many hours are in that?
My check.
8.
8.
Yeah.
No, God! Hey, you with me, baby, you know this straight up. Violator get a head bust like cake cut. Love you, baby. What did them? Chatting for chattings.
I'm hungry.
The two half are ratios.
When you hear that at the starting.
We have somebody on the outside that request a plate. We did a plan to get the mukbang a second round, but the mukbang second round, them get second clown.
Food and nice skirt.
You hear that food nice? Remember, you know, guys, when you can book up for the weddings, the wakes, the 9 nights,
Everything.
Brunches.
the brunches,
Dinner,
fine dine, private chef. We are here.
Oh, no more.
One more for you guys, one more. No, she's not for really food around the egg, you know. Huh?
But she's an addict.
One more, no more. Baddest thing, guys.
We never know say crab and boil go together. But
You serious?
we never know say crab and boil go together. But
Guys,
Seafood, boy, we are talking about, man.
remember the mini mukbang with you? This a mukbang. It's a
No
real
mini no inna
mukbang.
this.
No mini no inna this.
as King would have say bang, bang, boom.
This.
As King would have say bang, bang, boom.
Hey, don't play now.
AK gang. I'll be your AK over here about the fake one.
Kau know about police company yet, you understand? Understand?
And if you ask what I'm going over here saying, guys, if you see me in attack, you know what time till. Crazy show.
Trouble.
You some more question, no?
So long that you can ask them some question. Never say you are feature them, you know.
We are here.
I'm more.
Thank you.
What then at the Migla River?
What?
What then at the Migla River? Where you finding at the Migla River?
Okay.
What then at the Migla River? Where you finding at the Migla River?
Water, she say, why
You say water, why your answer?
Eh?
Where you finding at the Migla River?
Ice.
Hi?
No, have you have to say.
Backside. Listen, listen. Alright. Where I come from? V, you know about that go on good.
No, 'cause you have
But
to think
the wrong
outside
answer
box.
come first, guys. If
You
a
have to
school
think
challenge
out
quiz,
that- no.
if a school challenge
Alright.
quiz, him get it wrong.
Me, you give them that
So-
the wrong first for true. But you see with them question that you can't just have to think about the river. You have to think about the question.
Alright, one more question. Round the rugged rascal road. Round the rugged rascal road.
Yeah.
How many hours are in that?
Hey.
Round the rugged rascal road. Round the rugged rascal road. How many hours are in that?
My check.
8.
8.
No, God!
8.
8.
Yeah.
How much are in that?
None.
You see when we are talking about people, you get caught in our trap, so you have to listen to the question.
I will say tricky question. Where the guys?
You
Where
know watch that
the
video?
guys?
Go watch it.
Guys, where the Ali talk about say she watch JNL comedy and she name tricky question. I watch this now. I ask her what is not and ice. What is not and ice together? Put not and ice together. What you get?
Not ice.
Notice. Don't ever get not ice. I'm joke.
That me buy out, you know. Not ice.
Don't forget.
Alright, watch this again, guys. Milk truck carry. What milk truck carry? What water truck carry?
Water.
What fire truck carry?
Water.
Fire.
Water.
That team certain so we are going to ball out, you know.
Me nah laugh. Fire so nice.
Yeah, man.
Nowhere else.
Nowhere else. I feel like more go to one word to spell, you know.
I'm not spelling the champ.
Alright, everybody punk out. Me nah bother.
Why no?
I'm ready.
Let's say go on.
We no back down no challenge.
No challenge. Alright. Now make it easy. Because what if now go nothing too difficult.
You understand?
You understand? Prism.
PRISM. Prism.
I saw your eyes, am I right? You right?
Alright, here we go on now guys. Him say PRISM. See? Guys, him close.
Oh,
The E, me left out the E.
No man, I know E.
Where left out?
Alright, prism. Prism.
A Z.
Remember you have precise. You have prism.
alright.
You use a S, the S not for there and you missing a letter. Prism.
Yeah.
Prism come from precise, you know. But you now use the precise, yeah, prism.
Okay.
Spelling bee champs, you know.
We
Guys, you see if you have a child and him no good at spelling, they can book King. He will tutor your child. Perfect.
You go close still, let us left out the I and you turn the Z in a S.
The S in a Z.
Yeah, you know what I say.
That's it.
You know. But you now use the precise, yeah, prism.
Okay.
Spelling bee champs, you know.
We
Guys, you see if you have a child and him no good at spelling, they can book King. He will tutor your child. Perfect.
You go close still, let us left out the I and you turn the Z in a S.
The S in a Z.
Yeah, you know what I say.
That's it. That's all, folks.
Alright guys, so you see the mukbang are going good. It come like as a final rundown and I don't know who are going to win, you know, but Ali did a lead, but it'll come like crazy kid over there, so.
Crazy kid not going with nothing. Me still a lead.
Alright, I can start race and I talk as I talk about lead.
Just I enjoy it, you know, guys, and that me I do.
That's why I said
Remember a bone and deal with you.
You serious?
Remember a bone and deal with you choke.
You mean shell?
correction.
Shell, yes, correction. I feel bad.
Guys, whenever you catch crab,
Hey,
give it 50 likes, I will go crab hunting.
leave a 50. Time to buy 2.
50 likes, guys. I'm not kill you. 50
Like
likes,
like
I will
you.
go crab hunting.
It's a
Feel
fun
me?
sport, but you have to be brave.
I don't say fishing, you know, but I not to go fish.
Hey,
Fish thing then I
Hunting.
go swim around.
No.
I go swim around hunting one of them there, yeah, guys.
Yes, at the same time.
yeah.
I tie them get tie, you know.
The mukbang you must name. Because two of them just say at the same time.
Guys, them get tie without a stew peas.
Guys, you have to take time with the claw them. I will cut up your mouth.
Them
Don't
sharp.
mind. Just crack, peel your shell, eat meat.
Yeah.
Expert.
Nigga.
And a face, we have put on the right thing.
Bang, bang, boom!
See
Just
it?
right there, you know.
Fun base.
Fan base.
Fun base. You talk, man. Sweet, a fun base.
Yeah, man, the fans place.
Bread. See that?
Mishka is enjoying herself.
I tell them, man, that, oh God, man, Nicola and them man there. And when him done, him look for you and say, Tom,
Yeah, more.
one more in a time.
Yeah.
Come and play with the mukbang. Come and turn it into a mukbang.
And it's not a mud song.
And it's not a mud song.
Yes, me I eat good.
Come
Guys,
on!
we have shop, but you not understand, say, we have to mind what we are do. Hey, big claw.
One thing with them crab, yeah.
Yo, them crab, them St. Thomas crab, yeah, dog. I tell you.
Bad.
Them full of meat like fish. Them full of meat like fish. No, sorry guys. Them full of meat like chicken.
Yeah, hear that, guys? Thief in our pot, thief.
Yeah, man. The onlookers, them is going into the pot.
I'm saying.
Guys, from morning I be a camera out, you know. Be a camera. Oh gosh, man.
So me there in my mood, you know.
Guys,
Crab in my plate to shoot, you know.
Mukbang. This is how we call real mukbang, guys. I know some beard already, but it look like me have to go beard again. Me have to go beard again.
I know I David alone must drink water.
You know them style, yeah? I know that pepper. Know that pepper. Don't get it twisted, you know. Flavorful. It's not so pepper. You can manage.
So if you're not a fan of pepper,
Perfect thing for you. Oh guys, and bear in mind the crab boil them is not a possibility we get them with the back on it.
Yeah.
Because we're going to deconstruct him like a pie.
Guys, we're going to do a whole video on that, guys. We'll be doing a whole video on that. Make you understand what time it is and what on.
that is a king crab, yes?
A king crab
That's
that
a king crab.
with the big claw.
No. Get it right.
Guys, we're not getting involved in the argument about king crab or
turn
queen
it
crab.
in a eater. It's a king crab you eat it.
Yes, sir? I tell them man, that's why I don't like to put them in the back. They have a thing in them name, bitter gall. I eat a good eat.
Guys, I tell you, bone pile high. Watch out.
Till me have to start using my plate.
Flavorful. Juicy, me no? Mine no, brother. So how now I enjoy that video? How is your day going? I know you're jealous and you want some of the crab, but whenever you see you put out the poster or the menu for the crab, you just place your orders. You feel me?
Yeah guys, we're going too far in the video, but what kind of shoes you wear? What kind of shirt you have on today? And you don't say me no want sweater from morning, me no be all now. You understand? The Clarks you wear? The Clarks you wear, big up yourself, man. You understand? But right now, me have
My
a
brand
Nautica.
that's enough Clarks. Watch out. Good
You know
lead.
when I wear by my foot, you should up every day.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
You know when I wear by my foot, you should up every day. That's why I eat crab today. Yes, I.
You don't know about this.
Yeah, mom, sister and I enjoy that one.
Meat it.
Why?
You see, it's obvious, it's very clear.
Smash the ball around too.
Round two.
Guys, if you don't want a round 2, comment round 2 and like the video. For that, for the round 2, we want 100 likes.
Yeah, not to mention the comments them. Keep them the comment too.
Business is booming.
We really love the support that we're getting from you guys in the
Sealer.
comment section. Guys, let me show you something. You see them part here at the crab?
That look like
Yeah,
Shrek Swamp. Okay. Guys, if you don't want a round 2, comment round 2 and like the video. For that, for the round 2, we want 100 likes.
Yeah, not to mention the comments them. Keep them the comment too.
Business is booming.
We really love the support that we're getting from you guys in the
Sealer.
comment section. Guys, let me show you something. You see them part here at the crab?
That look like
Yeah,
Shrek Swamp.
You have to pick them out and all of them good something because them something you enough to eat. You feel me? Or just the meat alone. So if you're not from Jamaica or where crab is, local crab, you pick out them something here, peel off them something here, and then you just eat the meat. You feel me?
Warm to the people for them country say yo.
But everybody different. Me a Caribbean, Jamaican, so me not eat certain things. But if you like that part there, fine. Just a teach you my way. You feel me? Alright. Me a clean him up good enough. Now waste my meat. Break this in two. Think so quiet behind the camera, guys. Give some question, no man.
Go on, man, you see me a mukbang. After me have to know my type of food this. Guys, you know soon see my type of mukbang here.
Some vegan and some,
Some tofu and all type of these things.
yes, some soy and
King and the old man we make tofu just like
You serious?
King and the old man we make tofu just like
best tofu.
You see if you're not vegan and this man cook tofu here.
Turn vegan.
It's done.
Mm-hmm.
Ah, not time.
The whole of me I eat, and the whole of me sauce.
Guys,
The life.
On the blackie.
plate them empty, you know.
Guys, this still have to do outside because them everywhere raw right now.
Be a fly.
Why? Instead of calling me get the biggest one. And now there's something on them.
Him done, you know.
Eh?
Done, him done, guys.
I look for more on the chest with it.
Guys, mal for more. Look at my final piece.
Why, guys?
Eat the jackpot. Find a king claw. People.
I want them here mash up like this. So me can't come after you.
Guys, me I take my time. Anna, go down in night now.
Go ahead, night.
Well, we're not done. We're part of me. That's my life.
Guys, me come out and move on to night here with job time.
I saw you go and put this food.
Well, me I take care of me. Me have the same mirror sweet. Me assist.
And guys, if nothing stuck in your throat, know who to call.
Nurse read.
Speed dial.
I enjoy this, guys. Really enjoy this.
Did they now hurry?
So, I'm going to close out the video. I'm sure we're not going to sit down and watch you eat for like 30 minutes. So, I'm going to do like, comment, share, and subscribe. Go over to our cooking channel. Cooking with Chef Reed and Chef Alexander. It's always pinned in the comment section. And always in the description. So I'm going to give you the thought for today. Just live good, eat good food, enjoy life. And remember, in everything you do, put God first. I'm going to just leave you know, with a bang.
Yeah, guys. And remember, the Tom Lady description, I got our number, the number for the Tom Lady. The link I got pinned in the description. So you can call her, order the Tom them. She have the body stamp them, boy. Yeah.
Good things.
She belt too, bag too. Yeah, guys, and the hairdresser, her number got in the description too, so shout them out. I'm going to let you know with a bang until next time when you know the chefs go.
Bang, bang, boom. We're up.